Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don yarn say the commissioning of the Stella Obasanjo Hospital by the Obaseki-led administration na political commissioning. E yarn say belle no sweet am at all with the level of work wey still dey go on for the hospital, as the last administration make Edo people believe say everything don ready for the hospital to function fully, but say with wetin im see, that's not be the case.
Obaseki, that he has completed his building. Look at what I'm seeing here. Massive work is ongoing, and nothing is done here. Why are we deceiving Nigerians?
The governor yarned this one when him and the Deputy Honorable Denis Idausa joined body with the Commissioner for Health, Dr. Siri Adams Oshomole, carry waka go the hospital for one check visit and to chook eye on top wetin remain for the ongoing construction. Una go remember say on Monday 25th November 2024, Edo Commissioner for Health Dr. Siri Adams Oshomole carry waka enter the Stella Obasanjo Hospital for one check visit where he foresee say some small corrections and adjustments still dey where the contractors go work on. The commissioner come here and say he go report back to the governor to know the way forward. Now this will come make Governor Monday Okpebholo and a team enter the hospital to see for themselves how far the work don go. Oga Governor Konyan say nothing don shele for the hospital, say na uncompleted building, say he no know wetin the past government do, but he no go accept this work at all.
Nothing is done here. They just paint the building and put AC so that people can think, oh, this building is completed. It's not completed. I don't know what Obaseki and his PDP government, what they are doing. This is a sham. For me, it's not acceptable at all. Construction is ongoing, you commissioned it. It's unfair. It's cheating to Edo people. We'll come back again, look at it, talk with the contractor and see how we can complete this project, because this project is for Edo people.
Edo Commissioner for Health Dr. Siri Adams Oshomole talk say plenty work still dey to do for the hospital, say im be believe say by now the building suppose done ready, but that's not be the case.
He essentially has gone around to see the ongoing construction. There's so much work to be done, especially on the other wing. So we'll have a lot of talking to do with the contractors and the consultants, because we thought by now the work will have been almost ready. This building was actually commissioned, I guess commissioned politically by the last administration, but shockingly coming here is like an abandoned building on the other side. So I think a lot of explanations need to be done at this point. Working with a team of doctors, surgeons, gynecologists, ophthalmologists, so that they can have their input. And there were some little structural defects that we saw, and we alerted the contractor, and he promised to make those rectification, and we hope that those things will be corrected.
Still on top the check waka, Governor Monday Okpebholo with him Deputy Honorable Denis Idausa and other ogbonge persons come still waka around some areas for Benin City where road construction work for dey go on. Some of the areas where they visit na Erunse Street off Temboga, off Upper Mission Extension and Ewa Road. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.